While our students were enjoying their summer break, EVSC staff and construction crews were hard at work across our district, improving the places where our students learn, compete, and grow. One of those places is Stockwell Elementary, where classrooms have been refreshed with beautiful new flooring. At the Wrights Bowl, new aluminum bleachers, improved ADA accessibility, renovated concession areas and press box, paving and LED lighting have updated the stadium for this historic community gathering space. Similar upgrades are underway as work continues at Bosse's Inlow Stadium, including new bleachers, a new press box, and complete restroom renovations. Central's new high-quality track surface will support student athletes for years to come and is nearing completion. At Harrison, a new turf field gives student athletes a state-of-the-art playing surface they can be proud to call home. Summer work also included a renovated parking lot and exterior improvements at Perry Heights, major roofing projects at Vogel, Hebron, and Lincoln, and new flooring at Bosse and Dexter. At Lodge, an underused second-floor space is now 3 much-needed classrooms and a STEM lab. And at Harper, students will return to a brand new playground built for active play. These projects represent more than buildings and facilities. They're an investment in our students, our staff, and the experiences they have every day. Our custodial teams have spent the summer preparing every building so that when students walk through the doors, they'll find schools that are clean, safe, and ready for learning.
Well, it's a first impression. First thing they pull up, if it looks good, it makes them want to be here. To me, if a place that looks good and is maintained, you want to be there.
I'm very proud with all the construction work we've done this summer. I'm standing here on Vogel School's new roof, and I'm also very proud of all the work that the EVSC custodial and maintenance staff has done at our buildings, making them the cleanest, most comfortable, safest environment for our staff and students.